Oh my god, so much dog hair. Let's just read this. Oh, hello. I thought I'd try something a little new, but yes, I do have a lot of dog hair, and the dogs are in here walking around. Would you imagine that? If you could tell by the title, I'm talking about the thing everybody else has already talked about. I'm a little behind because I've been trying to work on some shop stuff. Luna, no. She thought she was going to mess with my cords, and now she's trying to lay underneath my chair. Anyway, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. My name is Ashley, and I make anything from crafting to Halloween related content and anything in between, vlogs, anything else. Pretty much anything I find interesting, I put it on my channel. Hoping somebody else will find it interesting too. So, like I said, everybody's already talked about this. I kind of looked into it a little bit, but not super a lot. But I did find an article I was reading. Let me see if I can find it again. I wanted to go over the article I found because I read it, but not really read it. Like, I didn't take it in. So far, what I know before I read this article is that I know they're making a movie based on Spirit Halloween. I don't really know what it's about. I know that Christopher Lloyd signed up for it, and somebody else, somebody with the last name of Cook. I can't remember her name, but she was in like She's All That or something. I think that was her. I'm kind of excited about seeing this just from those two people because I do like them as actors and actresses. I think they're pretty cool. And that's Luna down there sighing because she's tired of me talking already. I hope you're not. So I'm going to go over this, and I'm going to bring up the article that I see or that I'm reading on the screen so you can kind of see what's going on. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, Rachel Lee Cook, that was her name. But this is not the one I saw. Okay, so I found this one on NBC News. This is not the same one I saw on there. But it says, with the toy-related films all the rage, just look at the Play-Doh movie from M. Gordon and John M. Chu, which I've never heard of the Play-Doh movie. That's a thing. When did that come out? What is that? And then Barbie movie, which there's tons of those. And of course, Transformers. Halloween fans have been left underserved until now. I agree, we have been. Yes. Spirit Halloween, the icon costume prop store with 1,425 locations. I can speak, I promise, and read. Across North America has teamed with Strike Back Studios, Hideout Pictures, and particular crowd for feature-length family film. Oh, so it is going to be a family film. Okay, cool. So I'm guessing like a kid, more kiddie than the normal movie. You guessed it, Spirit Halloween. So, okay, yeah. Billed as a family kid, yep, adventure movie. The project stars Back to the Future's Christopher Lloyd, and She's All That star Rachel Lee Cook, as well as some new faces. So I'm wondering if they'll kind of take, like, this is just me before I finish reading and more into it. I wonder if they'll take kind of like a, what's that show that's on Netflix?
Stranger Things.
That's everybody raving about that. I really wish would come back on because it's been forever.
It's Stranger Things.
Oh, what's it called?
Stranger Things.
Oh my god. Like,
Stranger
I can
Things.
see the title, but I can't, and I can hear the music in my head, but I can't say the name.
It's Stranger Things.
Okay. I put in Netflix shows for teens scary, and it brought up Vampire Diaries. I don't know about you, but Vampire Diaries doesn't scare me. Maybe it scares some people.
It's not scary.
But that's not it. It's technically a horror show, I guess. I would say, because it has, like, the blood and stuff in there. Oh my god, what is it freaking called?
Stranger Things.
It's in the 80s. Stranger Things. Oh my god. Why couldn't I remember that? I knew it started with an S, but I could not remember the full thing. I could see it, but I couldn't remember the word. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna go back to what I was reading. Alright, so anyway, I was wondering if it's gonna be like Stranger Things. Probably not. With the new Spirit Halloween store appears in the desert.
Deserted. Not desert.
Strip mall 3 middle school friends who think they've outgrown trick-or-treating. Why do they always think they've outgrown trick-or-treating at that age? I was still trick-or-treating at that age. Hell, I trick-or-treated until 18. And then when I had my kids, I still trick-or-treated with them. I mean, I use them and I just ate their... It doesn't matter. But they soon... Okay... Outgrown trick-or-treating, make a dare to spend the night locked inside a Halloween store. Oh, it reads... Okay. Locked inside a Halloween store night. Wait, a store... Wait, what? All my words... This is how it is for me to read. Where to go? Who think they've outgrown trick-or-treating, make a dare to spend the night locked inside the store Halloween night. Okay, the way I read that was they locked himself into a Halloween store, but a store on Halloween night. That's what it is. Okay, I kind of figured, but whatever. But they soon find out the store is haunted by an angry evil spirit who has possessed the creepy animatronic characters. The kids embark on a thrilling and spooky adventure in order to survive the night and avoid becoming possessed themselves. That's gross. So where does Christopher Lloyd come into this? And I'm guessing he's probably a store owner. And Rachel Lee Cook is maybe a mom. I could see that. I could see her being a mom. There's not much else to see. Oh, this is like whoever filmed it. Okay. Or not filmed it, but alright. One of the reasons I immediately connected with the script is it is very much inspired by some of my favorite kid adventures films growing up, from The Goonies, Gremlins, Monster Squad, and so many great films made by Amblin I hope I said that right. Amblin Entertainment. Said Nor yep. I'm not even going to try that. President of Stripeback Studios. I don't know how to say his last name, so I'm going to say Nor will produce Spirit Halloween with Shannon Hutchins. I'm guessing that's what it is. Thomas Yen. Why do these people have such hard names? I'm just going to read Thomas, Peter, Marion. I hope that's it. And Clay Epstein, which I got that one. Are executive producing. I promise I can read. I promise. I just can't read out. So this is very hard for me. Anyway, that was a lot to read. And I guess I really didn't have to read it out because you could have paused and read it yourself. But just by watching that, or not watching, by reading a little bit of that, I'm wondering if it's going to be, what it's going to be set in. Like, what is it going to be set in today's world? Or is it going to be set back? Because I kicked my table. Everybody's been doing like things set in the 90s or set in the 80s, kind of stuff like that, which I love watching because it kind of brings me back to my childhood. I was a 80s baby, 90s kid, because I was born in the end of the 80s, grew up in the 90s. I'm wondering if it's going to be like that, but what I'm guessing, this is my prediction as this, just from this, I haven't read any more about this. I don't know anything else about this movie except for this. I did see somewhere that they're hoping to bring it out to release this October 2022. I don't know that it's going to. I know they just wrapped on filming. I did see that somewhere. But, and I haven't watched any videos. I haven't seen anything about this. This is my prediction based on absolutely nothing other than what I just read. I'm guessing that Christopher Lloyd is going to be like the shop owner, and he becomes possessed or something along those lines. And I think Rachel Lee Cook is going to be, I think she's going to be like the mom trying to find her kids or something to do along with that. I wonder if she's going to have like a huge part in this. I don't know. It's hard to say. And I wonder what let's see. Jaden Smith and Dylan Frankel from Raven's Home, and Jaden Smith from Blue Bloods, which I don't watch any of those. Donovan Colin from Zoe, which I don't watch that either. I don't know what that is. I don't watch as much mainstream things as I thought I did. But those are more like kiddie things, I guess. And Blue Bloods is just not something I typically watch. Not my style, not my particular genre. Film or shows or movies or whatever. I don't like that stuff. Anyway, well, some of it's okay. Not all. But anyway, doesn't matter. I'm kind of interested in what's going to happen. If it really does come out this year, I want to go back and give my own review on it. I think that'll be fun. My original plan for today's video was to do a react to Vampires in America that's on Discovery Plus. But I wanted to record a little snippets of the show and kind of show it, not the whole thing, but I couldn't even do that because I don't know how to do it. I tried to screen record, and all it would record is the sound. I tried to screen record on my computer trying to do it that way, and all it would record was nothing. Like, it would cut the recording off. So there's something worked into the recording so it cuts it off once you're in that program or on that site. So I don't know how to do it. I don't want to go about doing it an illegal way. I don't want to get in trouble for doing it. So my original thought of doing that was fun, but I don't know how people are doing that without just straight up sending a camera in front of their screen and recording, or doing it with like maybe Elgato or something. Is it Elgato? What is it? The capture card thing. But it doesn't matter. I'm not going to get in trouble for doing it. I don't want to. But that show, if you've seen it, this is a little side thing. If you've seen any of it, I've only seen about the first 5 minutes of it, is ridiculous. And it only has one episode. It has one episode for one season. It came out this year. It says on the app, or says on the information on it. It said it came out this year in February. But it's like, it's so bad. The acting is so bad in it. And just the first 5 minutes, I was just rolling with laughter. I probably should have just really known that by Vampires in America. And I'm sorry if I'm offending you if you believe in vampires. That's okay. That's you. I'm not trying to offend anybody. It's it's straight up actors on this show. That's what it is. It's acting, and it's very bad acting. And that's probably why they only have one episode. And they're probably just like, let's release this and see how it goes. Unless it's just one episode and it's like an hour long episode. And they're just like, this is it. This is all our budget is. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. This is my reaction to Spirit Halloween movie. And yeah, I hope you guys hit the thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already and become one of us. And what else? Yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye.